Step us over quick. Dito wata sa mga.
Muito garibate. Kajong ko. Seus.
Nevali, Chityavan, Varadu, Subhaya, Nevahi, Rosapanya, Akwaya, Jinahora, Devatamanya, Nejinja, Maska, Antidava, Veduni, Nuadikura, Nanate, Varadu, Uesuma. Timuradu yeti nistama hukuta. Deyeti muradu tikaplegaruni. Deyeti muradu katusuma. Deyeti muradu oterasuma. Deyeti muradu omdesuma. Spring. Those are saproli, those are spring. Now more than that, spring. We have winter, spring, summer, and then fall. So we have winter. Winter. Spring. Springtime. Kagwide, nengkatu kogwide. Kanengayo tiswarakas. Kagwide. Oh, niuchi apiabile kagwide na aito watstiki. Ga. Oh, niuchang takatang. What's the first two?
Can you spell it? Ka.
Ga. We. Ga, we.
KWI.
Okay, gone. We, they,
N-E.
There. There.
they,
Oh, they.
they, they. Now, T-E, gone, we, they, ne, ne. Kau ere ni. Okay. Kau we, they, ne. Kano na tau na garantats. Tana te kini o tisto. God, we, they, ne. Ane ika. Wanu hunyoni, pa ya te kia haki atu. Ase kama ikawe. Ka ane ole yu tistunyu. Ka wide ne. Ni alos ne ka wide ne. Toni ore ni o honte we. Ka wide ne. Ko wide ne. Ka wide ne. Yo visto ka. Yo visto ka. Taka visto te.
Yeah.
Ja e ka ho. Taka visto te. Yo la ko te kanua. Pa kara ko te kanua.
Yeah.
Ya wahi. Na awa ne. Yorum, yorum. Yorum, yorum. Tana na kaya na atsta ti yorum, yorum. What happened? Yo kanorum. Oh, net na awa ne. Was there lightning? The one in that kara wanus? Wajay sa kung kanaya lero. The one in that kara wanus. Can somebody say it? Okay, kami sangka. Ane tiyo. Yan ere. Gayon taze.
Okay, see there what?
Aha.
Oh. Okay. Actually, China, right?
You don't want to sit over
There,
there?
no, I can't find it. There were Nine Gara Wanyos.
Yan ere. Aweri.
Do you want to
Ahadiyo.
I was hoping you would call somebody.
Ahadine.
The one in the Gala one.
Aha. Kahawi.
The one in the Gala one.
Kasonia na kahawi in jero. Yo kanoru dana ne na jats kahawi. She brings the water. Was it windy?
Yeah.
Yeah, was it?
No.
Was it a good day?
Yeah.
Yeah, we need a Rakson. Okay. So nice. Let's eat. Let's eat.
One is the Raksa.
Yeah, near that. Gahadio.
One is the Laksa.
Here was.
One is the Laksa.
Kajitsa was.
One is the Laksa.
One is a Rakson.
One is the Laksa.
Oh, ne, io ona ne io raccode. One is a Rakson, one is a Dio. One is a Dio. Then it was a Bahamas yayo. Ne creato ne ora. Ora. Yeah, ora. Si ona ka pide ne mundu. O na awa ne na garun ta ke sunda na do kuile suma. O na awa ne. Wa Kakasque Nyuno. The buds. Tesna Wakalakina Anekai. Yakawakiabu. Yeah. The buds are coming out. Kaga Yapotka, Tapos Musita. Yaharo Peneki. And what Kachitane, the flowers are not out yet. Nesaka, Tatawanio, Sauyera Ujita. It's not out yet.
Oh, yeah.
Huh?
Yeah.
Kahapon. Those good.
Yeah.
Ooh.
Kama muna katkanto. Oh, never know wildflowers. Oh, you were talking about crocuses.
The crocuses,
Yeah.
you're not distorted.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Mm-hmm.
you're not distorted.
Yeah.
But, what's it? I'm not doing my sort of hold up here, hello, Chakaskato. No, not from the Waji either. Yeah, no. Utadawaniyo to not see, we should have some in the back of our place, by April. We see this more. So not see, the wild violets. Kunderundan ne. Can you all say kunderundan ne? Yeah. They're called that because you see them around a tree. They grow. It's not planted. Okay, so the one already not so near. Can you understand?
That's the
Uh-huh.
now.
Mm-hmm.
Kahneko.
Okay. Then, jälki questions to be there.
You're doing this.
You do it. Tänä takajahtamusta. Sun suuntamusta. Ja. Sun suuntamusta. The nights got cold. That's good. Now what do we want?
Ainakin Tiona Suma. Ne on kiiko. The sounds. Kiiko tanong kiiko. Nene apueko tio tiora titawata. This is all the sounds that we make when we talk in Mohawk. And they're called phonic sounds. But Oona Suma. And these are the vowels, these are the consonants. Remember how many letters we use in our alphabet? Aska Hiaware. We only use 11 of our letters, of the Mohawk letters. And they are A, E, E, H, I, Q, N, O, R, S, T, W. Tayadanega and Six Nations, they use a Y. Like sometimes with an I, they use a Y. But we don't here. The rest of us don't use that. That's the alphabet. And either. Let me want to go away, but we'll say this. A, E, O, See, in our language, it doesn't have, like we don't say A. There's no sound in our language where we say A. It's all E, O, This is for the sound, the M sound. And this is for the sound. So they put 2 letters together to make the sound, and 2 letters to make the like lamha, la, ha, lamha. So when you, like you said, it sounds like he said rum, yeah, rumha, but it's lamha, yeah. Okay, and when you put together this, you get a sound, H and A, like ha, he, ho, hum. Then when K, because it sounds like a G, like we pronounce it like a G in when it's just a K. So ga, ge, gi, go, gum, gum. No, it has a K sound, like the English K. You put a H with it. Then ka, ke, ki, ko, kam, kum. And then it's the same as in English. Na, ne, ni, no, na, nu. R, it sounds almost like an L or a rolling R. So some people have a hard time saying it, so they use an L, like it's easier until you get used to it. But here in Gunstad, I find that they don't have a hard time because of the French words that a lot of people speak. But as you go further west, they have a harder time making this sound. So it's ra, re, ri, ro, ron, rum. Then S, it sounds like a Z. Za, ze, zi, zo, zon, zoom. Now to get the soft S sound, SH. Sa, se, si, so, son, sum. On a T, it sounds like a D. Da, de, di, do, don, dum. Go on there, you get the softer T sound. Ta, te, ti, to, ta, tum. Giga, it makes the sound like tsk, tsk, tsk. Do you know what I mean? Shirui, jiks. Y'all know what a jiks is? It's a fly. Jiks. So you would say za, ze, zi, zo, zon, zoom. On a giga, it's a t, t, ta, te, ti, to, tom, tum. On a W, a negative sock. Wa, we, we, and there's no sound that makes wo in our language, but won, we do. And then there's no woom. There's no words, no sound in our language. When it's all like this, that means we don't have any to make it that sound. When it KHW, it makes the sound qua, que, qui, quam. K and a W, it's qua, que, qui, quam. Then the WH, that's what makes this F sound. Fa, fe, fi, fum. In some words, say like here, we use all the same consonants, but we don't use the W, this part here, with these vowels. Like H and IA is hya, hye, hyo, hya, hyum. Then K, gya, gye, gyo, gya, yum. This you hear a lot of with us. This is how they say. Here they will use this sound because of the T. KH, kya, ke, kyo, kyo, kyun. But they use this one here when they speak. N, nya, nye, nyo, nyo, nyo. Le ra, ria, rie, rio, rion, rion. Sia, sie, sio, sion, sion. Xia, xie, xiu, xiong, xiong. The T, jia, jie, jiu, jiang, jiung. Go. Tia, tie, tio, tiong, tiong. Oneki. Chia, chie, chiu, chiang, chiung. Then the TS, jia, jie, jiu, jiang, jiung. This one, Kwazasana, they put the I after. Here they don't, like right here, here. This is what they use a lot of here. In Kwazasana, they use this to make anybody to say jaw there. They would say like more like the sound jaw, like your jaw.
Okay.
Yeah. And this is we have this the vowels where it gets cut off. What's menoya? When you say ahta, so instead of just saying so, or saying da, you have to say ah. So with a H and AH, it's ha. Oh, what's happening again? E, O, you let a puff of air with the H come out. Anaki with a H. Ha, he, he, ho, hum, hum. Then with a K, ga, ge, gi, go, gum, gum. Then with a KH, ka, ke, ki, ko, kam, kum. Then the N, na, ne, ni, no, na, num. Ra, re, ri, ro, ra, rum. Then za, ze, zi, zo, za, zum. Then sa, se, si, so, sam, sum. Then da, de, di, do, dum, dum. Ta, te, ti, to, tam, tum. Za, ze, zi, zo, zam, zum. Cha, che, chi, cho, cham, tum. Then wa, we, we, wom. Then wa, we, we, wom. Qua, que, qui, quam. Then fa, fe, fi, fom. If you say gara, wa. Gara, wa.
Sitten ne taksat sen H.
Yeah.
On ni yuji ang kakunda na hiniu. Dosa siya ang ko gonna age.
Okay.
I want to hear how you sound when you say Garagua without the letter H. How does it sound?
Garagua.
Garagua.
So you need the H there. There's a lot of, at first, it's hard to hear it at first when you're talking. You're so used to saying it. Like, oh, ne, ro. Mandagito, what does it mean? Yeah, it's a box. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, this is a name. Dahotaraje. Dahotaraje. Yeah, he's coming and talking. Dahotaraje. Yeah.
Does that also mean that he's talking all the time?
No, he's coming this way and he's talking and he's
Oh.
coming. Oh God. Oh, this is oh God. Oh God. See, this is a wood chip. Here you go. Then if you leave out the H, it would mean God. And God. This one means Ogara, story. This one means I. You see, just by the different stress marks, it will mean something totally different. And if you put a H, it will mean Ogara. Dahotaraje. No. We're always talking about when we're writing down the examples to give, just if you don't put the stress mark, it will mean a totally different thing. Okay, so, some of our words are cut right out, like it cuts. Like, as if somebody grabbed you here. Then up, e, o, You see in some of the writing that that's what it's written. Ha, he, ho, hum, ga, ge, gi, go, go, ka, ke, ki, ko, ko. You have to make that sound like da, de, di, do, don, do. When you see that bar, it means you cut your sound right off. Danne, giga, ta, te, ti, to, ta, tun, sa, se, si, so, zang, zun, cha. It's like a G, like a G.
Ja,
Gya, gya,
je,
gyum, gyum, gyum. Gya,
kie,
gyum, gyum, gyum.
na, ne, nyo,
Sia, se, siu, siu. Tia, chia, che, chiu, chia, chiu. Yeah. Ga, ga. Ska is ga. Ga. Beginning is beginning. We. We. Accent. Dum. 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 Carriere. Gone. 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 Whisk. So. 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 Remember, somewhere under here, the sounds I'm saying, they gotta try and write it by hearing it. T, 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 没有的。T. Yeah, I do little pieces of siempre. No lo voy a sabía. Ja, 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 ja. I have a hard time saying that, but the vowel is ya, za. Okay, I'll try and say it. Za,
Okay, there it is. Okay, yeah.
za. Num, num. Ne sateeko? Num. 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 Johto. Room. 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 Yo. Oyeri is yo. Yo. Okay, Jajarotto. Ga. Onio to Chabanaga.
KH.
Ga. Ga. Niknika. Yeah. Take any? Take any? We. Onio. W-I. We. Asa. Tung. Like tung. Like they say tung. Gairi. Gone. Whisk. Score. Score. Yaya. T. O'Neill. T. T. Zada. Za. This is what I mean when I say Zhao. I can't pronounce it. I tend to say it this way. Zhao. But that's not what I mean. Sategen. Num. Omio and num. Unitahawi. N-O-N? Num. Jotum. Room. Oyeri. Yo. Who got 10? All right. These are simple two-sound words. So yeah, it doesn't matter where you put the stress mark, as long as you can. Okay? Oscar. E. For Oscar. E. Take any? Ise. Asa. Doga. I don't know Doga. Kayeri. The goats. It's got whisk in the sound. The goats. Whisk. Accent. song. A song. Jaya. Jada. Jada. 7. Jada. Jada. And Jada is tiger. 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 That one. Tiger. Tiger. Satego. Giga. 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 Giotto. Hanyo. 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 Never going to say, come on. Hanyo.
Hanyo också.
Ojeri. Jirum. Jirum. Säger. Jirum. Aska. I. What does it mean? Me. Tekeni. Ise.
I. S-U-H. Oh, no H.
Ise.
No H, eh?
No H. Then it would be Ise. Ise. Asa. Toga. 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 What does toga mean?
No.
Kajeri. Tagos. Tagos. 5 sounds. Da. Go. Tagos. Now what the name tagos?
The food. The
Whisk.
Coca-Cola.
Yeah. Or tagos ko. Whisk. Song. 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 Now hold on, no, song.
3.
3, yeah. 3 or 3? I make mistakes sometimes. Okay, Yayak is Jada. 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 Now hold on, Jada.
7.
7. Knejada, tigon. Tigon. Tigon.
Jack.
Tigon. That one. Or that one. Tigon. Sategun. Gigon. Gigon. Jak tigon. Gigon. Giotto. Hanyo. Ha-nyo. Ha-nyo. Now what the name of hanyo?
Come on, or something like that.
Come on, hanyo. Ojeri. Jirum. Jirum. 나호다는 지금
Se.
say it. Say it. Okay. Oscar. Quiz. 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 Where? 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 Quiz. Quiz. Okay. Where? Where? Quiz. Quiz. Ano to? Technique. Isek. 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 Isek.
To eat.
Accent. En. Ska. En. Ska. Oscar. 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 Kajeri. Seta. 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 Whisk. Sora. Sora. Sora, Sora, caputice. Sora.
Dice Sora.
And you gotta go like this. Sora, Sora, caputice. Sora. Let's do that. Sora. Yeah, yeah. Oxa. 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 Yeah. Oxa. Oxa.
Ja, oksa.
Yeah. Oxa.
Oksa.
Digo.
Oh!
Oxa.
Oksa niin se.
Jada. Oneka. 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 Sateekun. Ahta. 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 It's not ahta. It's ahta. Ahta. Jotun. Ganjun. Ganjun. Ganjun.
Ja or ga?
Ganjun. Ganjun.
Kutsu.
Ganjun. Ganjun. I want balance. Ganjun. Fish. Ganjun. Okay, oyeri. Sumni. 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 Nahodok sumni. Sumni. That's quick. Ja. Aska. Queskes. Nielgeo kiaga queskes. Tapororio. This is what's spelled. Go. I.
Oh! That was hard.
Quest.
This is
Quisquis.
Kutsu.
Kantille Quisquis. Oh, Giga, Quisquis.
Christmas is forgotten.
Oh, Isaac. Isaac.
Oh.
Isaac. No, what is Isaac?
No, what is it?
No, what is it? Eat. Asa. Aska. 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 No, what is it? Aska. One. Kaleri. Seta. 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 No, hold on it, seta.
Put it.
Put it in. Seta. Whisk. Sora. Sora.
There's no S at the end of that, or?
No, it's just Sora. If there was an S, there would be Soras.
So, yeah.
Sora.
But that's a word also, so
Yeah. It means it will,
contagious.
you're contagious. Soras.
With an S at the end?
Yeah.
With
Soras.
What, just Sora?
Yeah, Sora. Sora. Osa. 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 Now hold on in it. Osa. So Dina, now hold on in it. Osa.
Tuolla vuoni uudessa hajoni hats. Now Dina.
Osa.
The lips.
The lips, yeah.
What the lips?
Osa.
Kapsel. Make me blush.
Sada. O nega. O nega. O nega.
Wouldn't it be a H after the E of nega?
Then it would be, which one?
So, O-N-E-H of nega.
It would be nega.
Oh,
O nega. It's nega. O nega.
Tänä tuolla on se mun suuluken H sinä te jätesin O tänne en.
Oh, you put a H right here. O nega.
O nega.
O nega. If you put it here, it would be o nega. It's o nega.
So there's not one after the
No.
O? Not after the O?
O nega.
That's the right
O
word.
nega. Yeah.
So what does Onega mean?
Or drink, any liquid. We call it oneganus, but onega is any liquid.
So when you speak, it sounds like there's an H in it. How come it's not written with one?
Yeah.
Why is that?
Oneganus.
Because
I guess it's how you pronounce it. Is it
but you're pronouncing it with an H.
with an H? Okay.
Ja,
Put a H on it.
Yeah, maybe if you say Ovneganus, then you sound H. But just Ovnega, just,
Yeah.
But you're sounding it with an H.
Oneganus.
yeah.
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 Oneganus.
You're sounding it with an H.
Yeah?
O
I don't hear it myself, that's why I. Okay, so it's this way. Onega. It means a drink or a liquid. Ahta. 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 Gonchum. Gonchum. Go. Zum. Go. Zum. What the name? Gonchum.
Fish.
A fish. Gonchum. Really? Sumi. Sumi. Now what the name is Sumi?
You fashion, make,
You make,
how you fashion.
yeah. You make it with this. If it was me, it would be uni. Easier, sumi.
Gerald, do. A job about it. A job about it. This is what you're going to thought you were language magic. Ata wanya. Ata wanya. So kare na a job dawi. Ya kuwe a ku job dawi. You get squat, a job dawi. You get squat, a job dawi. You get squat. House code. Wiskadu a tostera. Okay.
Yeah. Nene, como muita, é na coisa que tá. A tostera. That's pants. Pants or jeans or slacks or anything that you wear. It's all called a tostera. Yeah, yeah. Anum. 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 No, it's a hat. Any kind of hat. Anum. Det är ju inte not neta asta. Japanese is not open square. They do not neta asta. They do not neta asta. Sateun. Yung ra si. Ra.
Rasit roksta.
Page, please.
Rasit roksta.
Okay. Oh, ganun page, ikaw rin. Yung ra, si, do,
Roks.
do,
Roks.
rocks, rocks, ta. Sweater. Or what's it called? Slippers. Yura si do rocks ta.
Ika kairi hatu i ke ona i ke tika nene karu skunha i na tukwa.
Kanu skun.
Karu skunha chakojes.
Yeah,
Karu skunha nene house coat.
yeah. Kanu skun ha.
Yeah,
Japojes.
yeah.
Okay.
Bara nekin karu skunha. Vois okattu teotia ja sitä kanssa ja no nuka i kaare tu kwa nekin karu skunha jotstu. Nekin house coat.
Kanu skun ha.
Yeah,
It's a house dress.
house coat.
Kanu skun ha. Kanu skun ha.
Yeah,
You hear them?
karu skunha.
Skun. That means house coat also.
Yeah.
Kanu
Really inside the house.
skun ha. House dress.
Get squat, does that mean something about getting up?
You to get squat, yeah. What you wear when you get up. A job. This is a to get squat off. A job. It means a house coat. Or it says kanu spoon ha. A job. See, it's like sweater. Not everybody has a name for it. Some people call it garize. Garize means it's wool and it's knitted. But it's what you do here, it means what you put over another.
Oh, ja se oli runtutika head chakojes.
Enako jaku,
Yeah.
jakuji?
Head
Okay.
chakojes. You threw over.
And
Sounds also like you're throwing water over.
No, not runtu.
Yeah, but you know,
Enako
the sound there?
jaku, X. You throw it on top.
Yeah.
That's what it means. A sweater. But this means deyut not neta asta means what you layer your clothes on to keep you warm. Really, it's we don't have everybody uses it in a different way.
Yeah.
Yumra si do roksta. It means you just insert your feet in there. You know, that's how slippers are. You're just putting your feet in the, yeah, it's not like a alta. Yumra si do roksta, yeah. Oh, see, here's the osita right here. The foot part. Yumra rockstop means what you stick your foot on footing. Okay, so name Ii Agao or Ii Aguao. I says it's all here. Agamha, Agoa, Ramha, Raoa, Amha, Aoa. So when it's these are how who it belongs to.
So when you look at the far end, you see the shirt, a jaunt dummy. So you have to come out to say Sajat dummy. Sajat dummy.
Sa, Jali.
Sa, we. Sajat dummy. Isa ko Sajat dummy. Ikini hatu. Ii agwawo. Ii agwawo. Ni gadu agawo. Ii agawo. Agajak dawi.
I don't know if any of you say Aguao or Agao.
Agao.
Agao. I say Aguao.
Irabe wakta.
Is it going to put
Agora sim, a qual tem que ir quatro isso é
Yeah.
So job.
Yeah.
This on cool.
But I thought it was just a W taken off to say Agao.
Yeah. Well, in my way, a gobble. But when you really mean it's really yours, you can say a qual.
Oh.
You really convince the other person.
When you're really serious.
Yeah, you're really serious. You got qual. Don't touch it. You got qual.
Or else you're in for it.
Agajak dawi. Agamha agowa. Agamha. So how would we say it? Agamha agowa. Agamha. Agamha.
Ago. Ago. Jog.
Agojak dawi.
Ona ne kahiado ne. Nekne shado. Ago. Jog.
How would you say it's his? Ramha raowa. Ramha raowa.
His
Say that R-A. Raojak dawi. Raojak dawi.
Kayeli. That's one of the okay.
You see a picture here, Wadaandaras, Junhusquadu and Gopse on it. So, Amha Aowa. So, how would you say it? Amha Aowa. Aojak dawi. Aojak dawi. Aojak dawi. So, it's the one holding
got whiskey.
Dana ovile suna, dana ne wapuana waka. Deie tinu peradune, ojina ohuma, dana ne wapuana apex. Deie tinu peradune, kaieli inawerado, nahu nuhali, enela nuhali, Angene nuwali, otorege nuwali. Deie numeradu ne unity sotohuma raliveras. Deie numeradu ne yeti sota asutoneka karaqua. Deie numeradu ne ojisisto waruyum tizangyave. Del Sida Wanuweradu ne et Sida Watia Jekineka Garaqua. De Sida Wanuweradu ne Sumayatisu Gatsastam Serakoa Savoyera. Ona Todu Yore Wakaweli Doga Tenu Sube Murma. Ise ne Yasewada Sudeno Dana To Yotuha Ne Waki